I am providing the PHP Laravel script editing. So this is the PHP Laravel application check. So I have developed it in the from old data the header, footer, and updated in the color change or section change or need to any updated. So check I already changed. So my client wanted to change the banner 24. I have updated 6 images, so now he wanted to update the 24 images want to show here. So I make the section, he will change the image, so this image will show you. See, wanted to update it tomorrow, so it will update it in tomorrow and showing here. So check the contact, border, list, and fans, guilds, everything, also the create account, everything is working fine. So what you change, what you need, you can update it. So any PHP Laravel script you can change. You can contact me to get the best service in the best time. I hope it will be within 24 hours the best updating time for you. So you can contact me to update it. So best of luck. Thank you. In the PHP Laravel script, also the any PHP Laravel script, I can update it for you. Best of luck.